So the April showers are definitely here, which means spring is on its way and we need some springy cocktails. So today we are going to be making our Blackberry Elderflower Smash. We are going to start with 5 blackberries. We're going to put those right into our shaker tin, and then we are going to muddle. All right, then we have 1/2 ounce of our fresh squeezed lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of our simple syrup, 1 full ounce of Elderflower Liqueur. Ooh, I need to get more pour spouts.
Big bottle.
It's a big bottle. And then we're going to do 1.5 ounces of our favorite gin. You can use vodka for this one if you would like to. So this is a gin or vodka cocktail. Okay, now that we have all of that in our shaker tin, we are going to fill it up with ice and shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in our hands. All right. Remember, we did use fresh juice, so we are going to use our Hawthorne and our mesh strainer for this one. Then first we're going to put a little bit of ice about halfway into our rocks glass. Ooh, shooting ice everywhere. Stay. Okay. Voila. So we're going to get our mesh strainer out. Then we are going to strain. Beautiful. Dark, dark, dark purple. Tap, tap, tap. All right. Once we get to this point, then we are going to top the rest of the way with club soda. I'm going to do just a touch more. Oh! Got excited up in here. Yee. Note to self, don't shake the club soda. All right. And then, because I like my cocktails to be incorporated correctly, I'm just going to give that a light little stir just to bring the club soda into the rest of the cocktail. And then for our garnish, I'm just making a giant mess of blackberry mush happening. I've got a nice little blackberry skewer, and we're just going to boop, plop that right on top. And there we have it, our Blackberry Elderflower Smash. I was going to say liqueur. I'm like, that's not right. All right. Get this. Oh, the smell is fantastic. Oh, yeah. Get a lot of the blackberry for obvious reasons. You get that nice little bit of elderflower. It is so light, so springy. Springy is a good word for this one. But hope you enjoy. Don't forget, ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me. And as always, if you enjoy the cocktails that I'm making, my gorgeous face, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share the videos with your friends because you should never drink alone. Until the next pour. Cheers!